Whether you're a musician or not, you are a musician, and every day the universe invites you to a jam session. So the question is, do you want to get in rhythm, or do you want to stay out of step? Do you want to make it about you when it's really about the group? Do you want to shy away from the solo spotlight when it is your time to shine? Are you going to be true to your style and tempo so you add flavor to the jam? Or just play it safe and blend into a monotonous mess? Are you going to focus on looking cool and competent? Or focus on just enjoying the moment? Will you respond to the flow and what it's bringing to you? Or try to control the jam and kill the vibe? Are you going to worry about how things are making you better, or are you going to add something out of love and get better anyway? The jam is on, the music is playing right now, every day. How are you going to play?